Hey YouTube, I know I usually do Minecraft videos, but I mean, all I'm going to be doing is blowing up TNT, which this is Eden. So yeah, I have my friend Minecrafter17 with me here. And yeah, fire in the hole, I guess.
It actually took a very long time to put down all the TNT. We're not like playing on multiplayer, I don't think if you can.
But it's just blowing up. So yeah, fire in the hole, I guess.
It'll take a while.
Yeah, it'll take a long time, but yeah. Oh shoot, it's glitching out bad. This salted TNT radio.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what this world is. Some kind of
Chinese temple.
Tokyo thing. Let me see it right there.
Chinese
I'll
temple.
show you what it is. Let me see how it right there. Yeah. So yeah, it's just blowing up right now. Ah, it's giving us so much lag. It sounds like nuclear. I don't know what it's called. I think. Ah, I got some of it. There's still more. I'm gonna go blow the rest.
Oh my god.
I'm going to blow the rest up. I'm gonna have to make myself a little pathway though to get there. Gosh, there's still a crud load more. I'm not even kidding. There's still so much more. Ah. Find the hole, I guess. Ah. Ah, I got hit off the edge. So yeah, it's blowing up again. Ah, it's coming close. I'm about to. It's glitching out so bad.
By the way, sorry guys, I haven't been making Minecraft videos. It's because there was this. If you did watch my video on how to record without jailbreak, then it's not working because you have to set your. I don't know. You just have to set the time back before July 16th. That's if y'all are wondering how it works. But if you watch Lord of the Minecraft's video here, you have to pay. You can pay $1.99.
I know. I made a video.
If y'all don't watch that, sorry. Just check out some of his videos and check out mine.
Why does it make that sound? It's so weird.
I know.
It's like.
I'm just kind of excited to find myself.
Gosh, I'm trying to build it up, but it glitched. It's bad. Oh, I'm stuck inside of a block. Dude, it's glitching out so bad.
Because you're bad.
Oh, it's finally kind of working. Run away from this place! I'm trying to run, but I can't even. Oh, I really like that building. Look what happened to it. Look at the screen. Fire in the hole, I guess. That's all I've got to say.
Stinky. I mean, just seriously, you just had to cut me off like that.
Well, it's gone now. I missed it very badly. Wait, there's a little bit left. I want to see you. Yeah. Oh no, this room. There's still more left. I'm making a run for it. Boom. I missed tower already. I love how it makes that sound. It's like brrr. It's almost completely gone. Most of it.
Almost completely gone.
Remember how huge that thing is? Still blowing up. The last one. Boom.
I love this one.
No.
I think there's an app in the App Store called Roller Coaster Maker. Probably is.
So yeah, remember that big old building that used to be there?
It's gone.
Not no more. Oh well. Yeah, there used to be a big building right there.
No kidding.
So yeah, that's just a big explosion on Eden. Thanks for watching. Peace.